Lawyers spend more than 70% of their time not practicing law. Instead, that time is spent answering phone calls, replying to emails, conducting legal research, and drowning in administrative work. Lexi changes all of that. Lexi is your AI-powered associate, built to handle every single part of your workflow, and it integrates seamlessly with the tools you already use, such as email, calendar, document management systems, and text editors. Let's say you just finished an M&A call. Lexi immediately analyzes everything that was discussed, automatically identifies the next steps, and reaches out directly to your client. Once Lexi receives the documents, even if it's tens of thousands of them, Lexi analyzes them all in seconds. And when Lexi spots an issue, our agents research the relevant case law, formulate a strategic response based on all the details, and draft a counterproposal ready for your review. That's how Lexi turns weeks of work into minutes.